Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Trainer Sujata. This story is a story of faith. Indradev, the god of gods, he was the king of all gods. He got very angry with a bunch of farmers one day. इंद्रदेव जो थे उन्हें कुछ नाराज़गी हो गई एक किसानों के झुंड से। तो उन्होंने एक दिन कहा कि भाई अब से 12 साल तक तुम लोगों को मैं कोई बारिश नहीं दूंगा. You will not see rain for the next 12 years. So these poor farmers who were completely dependent on the water from rain, were very upset, were petrified. They didn't know where to go. So they went back to Indradev and they prayed to him. They begged for his mercy, saying, please give us some rain. And then Indradev said, okay, I will give you rain if the Lord Shiva plays his Damru. The minute Lord Shiva plays his Damru, there will be rain for you. So these farmers were happy. They went running to Lord Shiva. And they said, Shivji, if you play the Damru, we will get rain and we will have our crops. We will be able to live. But then, by then, God Indra had already spoken to Shiva and said, Shivji, you should not play the Damru for them for the next 12 years. So God Shiva heard the king of gods and said, okay, I will play the Damru, but only after 12 years. So the dejected, demotivated farmers, ये बेचारे किसान वापस अपने घर चले गए और सालों साल उसी बारिश की ये 12 साल कंप्लीट होने के लिए वेट करते रहे. But there was one farmer among them who continued tilling his soil, cleaning up the weeds, applying or putting fertilizer in the soil, and he kept sowing his seeds year after year. All the other farmers laughed at him, saying, पागल हो क्या? I mean, तुम्हें पता है कि 12 साल के बाद ही बारिश होने वाली है. इंद्रदेव ने बोला है, अपने खुद बोला, भोला शंकर ने, अपने शिवजी भगवान ने ये बात बोली है कि भाई 12 साल के बाद ही बारिश होगी. तो तुम क्यों ये सब काम कर रहे हो? जाओ कोई और मजदूरी करो, कोई और काम करो. The farmer smiled at everyone and said, हाँ, मैं दूसरा काम भी करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे मेरे खानदान का, मेरे परिवार का पेट पालना है. लेकिन मैं ये काम जो मेरा वजूद है, जो मेरा अस्तित्व है, जो मेरा एक्चुअल आइडेंटिटी है, ये काम मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा. So he said, yes, I know that it will rain only after 12 years. But then by the time it's 12 years, I would have forgotten how to actually farm, how to till the soil, how to put these fertilizers in the soil in the right quantity, with the right techniques, with the right tools. I would have forgotten how to put seeds, how to plant seeds for my harvest. So I cannot stop sharpening my saw. I cannot stop and give up on these skills that will give me my daily bread and butter 12 years from now. So yes, I will do whatever it takes to ensure that my family has its food, its basic sustenance, but I will not give up on my basic techniques, on the most important skills that are my life skills. And he continued doing what he was doing. As fate would have it, Goddess Parvati overheard this farmer, understood, and greatly admired his faith in his own skills, in his faith that yes, it will rain someday or the other, his faith and his persistence in continuing with his life skills, continuing to sharpen his life skills and becoming better at them. And she went back to God Shiva and said, you know what? Look at that farmer. How beautifully and consistently he's practicing his skill, practicing his life skill and his art. He will not forget his art. His art will in fact become better. But I have doubts about you. Maybe you'll forget how to play the Damru after 12 years. Who knows? I mean, obviously, it is a musical instrument. If you don't play it after a particular while, maybe you will forget the technique that you use in order to play your Damru. And hearing that, God Shiva was a little worried, a little concerned, and he said, okay, what will happen? And he was also very innocent. He would always listen to people around him, a gullible Bhola Shankar. So what he did was, okay, let me practice the Dabru for some time. And he started practicing his Dabru. And what happened when he started practicing his Damru? There was rainfall. And that one farmer who had continued tilling his soil, pouring fertilizer and planting his seed got his bumper crop. So what are we talking about? We are saying that many of us in the lockdown, in this particular period in which we have limited availability of maybe resources, limited movement from the spaces that we live in, we are telling ourselves that, okay, what is the point of exercising? What is the point of working on my skills? What is the point on sharpening the saw? Because I'm not going to use it in the near future. Maybe I'll lose my job. Maybe, there is an economic slowdown. So maybe we won't get many resources. Let me just preserve what I have and just sustain myself from day to day. Instead of that, let's be like the farmer. Let's persevere. Let's continuously hone those skills, sharpen the saw, so that when divine providence has it and when the Lord Shiva plays his Damru, there would be rainfall. And we would be equipped for it. We would have already sharpened our skill sets to such a level. And in fact, we would have become multi-skilled at various things that we would be even more relevant when the lockdown ends. So let's do this together. Let's sharpen our skills. Let's constantly strive to do something different. Do something that's uncomfortable for us, that we have not been able to do before this. Let us say that this is the time for us to become better at whatever we do. So let's do this together. All the best, and let's begin the journey. Do subscribe, like, and share my channel and make it viral. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, productive day ahead. Bye-bye.